Namaste, dear students. How are you? Hope you are healthy and happy at your home and enjoying your studies. Today, we are going to start our block 5 Habitat and Adaptation, and this is the first part of this block. So, in this part of video, students will able to understand the features of animal living in different types of habitats. So dear students, you can see here there are various kinds of animals and birds living in different environmental conditions. Like elephants are living in forest while the ducks are living in the water. Polar bear are actually living in extremely cold conditions. Birds are living on the plant and the camels are living in extremely hot conditions. So we can see that different animals live in different environmental conditions and they have different home. So we will know what is their home called as. So the natural environment in which an animal lives is called its habitat. So we will see different kinds of habitats one by one. So we have widely divided the habitat of animals into two different categories. One is land habitat and the another one is aquatic habitat. So we will see what are the different habitats which comes under land habitats. So the first is desert habitat. This is a very hot habitat. In this, the days are very hot and the nights are very cool. And here there is scarcity of water also, and the animals who lives here have a big padded feet to walk on the sand. And the animals which are found in this habitat are camels, reptiles like snake, birds, insect, and many more. So the next habitat is polar region habitat, and this habitat found in the Antarctica region, and here there is extremely cold climate with lots of snow, and the animal who lives here have thick fur to protect them from the extreme cold condition. And the animals found in these regions are polar bear, penguin, and many more. Then the next is forest habitat. Here the trees, shrubs, bushes, grass with different weather conditions. Many animals lives on tree and they are actually very much capable of climbing on the trees. So the animals like lion, monkey, birds, deer and many more lives in these habitat. Then the grassland habitat. Here the animals have very thin skin and they have stripes on their body, and also their color is like grass so that they can hide themselves in the grass easily. You can see that the tiger, zebra, these kinds of animals are found in grassland habitat, and there are many more animals also there. So the next is aquatic habitat. So the animals living in the aquatic environment have webbed feet to swim, and also they have fins to swim. Their bodies sometimes have very smooth or slippery skins like fish, and sometimes they have very tough skin like crocodile or the turtles. So the animals found in these habitats are fish, crocodile, turtles, and many more. So after seeing different kinds of habitat, we should understand what is the importance of habitat. So a habitat provides food, water, shelter, that means home, also protection from the predators, and place to raise their young ones, that means their child. So after seeing the different kinds of habitat and how the animals are surviving in these kinds of habitats, we should understand what is adaptation. So basically, adaptation are the features that help animals to survive in their habitats. Like in aquatic habitats, the animals have webbed feet and fins to swim. Also, in the desert areas, the camels have padded feet to survive. In polar region, the animals have thick furs to protect them from extreme cold. So these are the features that help animals to survive in their particular habitats. And these features are called as their adaptation in their habitats. So here you can see a giraffe with his long neck, how this long neck of giraffe help them to survive in the grassland. So giraffe use their tall neck to eat the tall grasses. The tall neck are the feature of giraffe which help them to survive in their habitat. So let's have a recap. In this video, we have understood water habitats, types of habitats, and adaptation. Thank you and have a nice day.